we care about hydrogen. How many hydrogen is there?
Once again, my dear. Once again, please, your question.
It's depend on hydrogen.
When I draw it, I depend on hydrogen, not on the name. I didn't put the name because if I look the name, maybe I will make it.
No, not count carbon H atoms. It takes a lot of time. It takes a lot of time. Please look at the molecule. For example, if you have like CH3, CHOH, CHOH, CH, for example, here you have Cl and COOH. What is this? How many functional groups you have here? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 functional groups. Which one has the highest priority? So in any case, you have to start numbering from this one. From right one. Yeah? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now what about name of this one? Penta? What's that? Suffix of and not dioid. You have seven. Yeah, yes, but not dioid. Pentanoic acid. Now, what about in front of you? Which group names go with
3, 4.
Hydroxy? Yes, you start from 2 chloro.
3, 4.
Cl before H.
2 chloro, 3, 4.
Yeah. 2.
She's هنا.
Hydroxy.
3.4.
Di.
Here you need di because of you have same group. Di. Hydroxy pentanoic acid. So look carefully. If you have 2 COOH group in both ends of your structure, so you have dioic acid. Dioic means that you have 2 COOH groups. Now, let's start about influences of atoms in molecules. So, any transmission of electrons, any distribution of electrons among the molecule, we can describe into 2 terms. It's inductive effect and mesomeric or resonance effect, so they are different from each other. Now, first of all, what means inductive effect? Inductive effect, it's transmission of electrons and it's change in polarity of whole molecule. And this effect acts along sigma bonds, CC sigma bonds. And it has very short action. Why? Because of if you increase number of carbon atoms between group which has some inductive effect, it does not matter you have minus inductive effect or plus inductive effect. In any case, after third carbon atom, you have really no inductive effect, no action of this group on the third or fourth carbon. After third carbon atom, so you really have no effect. It does not matter which group is in the one end, fourth carbon or fifth carbon. After third carbon, you really have no action of this group. But in any case, inductive effect is change in polarity of molecule. Why? You have some disorder in electron density, which you have in whole molecule. Now, what it means? It means transmission of these electrons. Now, if you have, and of course you have 2 types of groups. One type is group which has lower electronegativity than H atom. So in this case, these groups have plus inductive effect. Plus inductive effect. I write like this. So these groups are all alkyl groups. Methyl group, ethyl group, tertiary butyl group, isopropyl group, propyl group. So any alkyl group, which one you want. CH2, CH3, or for example, CH, CH3 2 times. So with any alkyl radicals, any alkyl groups have plus inductive effect. What it means? They are electron donating groups. They give electron density to the carbon to which they are connected. Now, all aryl groups, yes.
They have one electron to share it.
Yes. So if you have here some single bonds, of course we discuss in inductive when we discuss about inductive effect. So we discuss about molecules where you have single bonds. So inductive effect is effect which acts among whole molecule where you have single bonds, not double bonds. In case of double bonds, we have another version.
Yeah.
It's mesomeric effect or resonance effect. So here we discuss only about inductive effects. Only. Now, if you have, remember C6H5, what is this? It's benzene ring, yeah? Or phenyl radical, which is formed from benzene ring. So all of them, C6H5. So all these groups have plus inductive effect. So they increase electron density of carbon to which they are bonded. They increase electron density of carbon to which they are bonded. Now, and additionally, if you have metal, lithium or magnesium or calcium, in this case, once again, you have plus inductive effect. So, all of them have less electronegativity than H. Now, which groups have minus inductive effect? Minus inductive effect. Look, minus inductive effect have all other groups. For example, all CH3, COOH, COH, COCH, so any aldehyde group, carboxyl group, nitro group, sulfonyl group is one, CO, I like say C, SO3H. Any of these groups. So you have in this, in my papers, all these groups, and which one has minus inductive effect and which one has plus inductive effect. You see here. What it means? It means that group which is connected to this carbon, atom which is connected directly to this carbon, yeah, this element has higher electronegativity than carbon atom. Okay, take these guys and make here's
Esa.
sorry. So you have this.
قريب esa.